Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you movers, but before that I would like you to take out your book. That should be movers too, okay? First take out this book and take out your yellow book as well. This yellow book, okay? And your movers book. Okay, so you can put that on the table. Before we start our lesson, I'm going to do some revision with you. So let's look at over here. Remember, I have done some of the revision with you at your workbook page 21 last time. Let's revise them, okay? So the first one is, remember what is this? The place we live is called, remember what do we call this? We call this address. Can you say that with me? Address. 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 Okay, I will have a look with you with the spelling later. Let's look at the pictures first, okay? So, how about this one? This is a part of our house, right? A little corner that you can watch what's going on outside. That is called a balcony. 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 What is it? Balcony. Balcony. Okay, next one is, all right, so here's a picture of a house, right? Here is the garage, the living room, the kitchen, right? So here is the first floor. Here's the first floor of the house, right? So the floor that is at the lower part, a lower part of ground floor is called, remember what do we call this? This is called basement, okay? Basement. Ground floor, sorry, that is not first floor. That should be ground floor, right? Basement. Basement, okay? This part, this lower part of a house is called basement, okay? Basement. 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 And let's go with this one. Okay. What do we put on our body when we go to sleep to keep ourselves warm? We call this blanket. 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 What do we call that? Blanket. 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 Okay? Let's go with the next one. The next one. What do we call this? We call this a CD player. CD player. What do we call this again? CD player. CD player. Okay? CD player. Alright, after CD player we have... Alright, remember what is the difference between upstairs and downstairs? When you go up, okay? When you take the stairs and go up, this area we'll call upstairs, all right? Upstairs, upstairs. And when you're coming down from somewhere, that area is called downstairs, downstairs. Let's say together, upstairs, upstairs, upstairs. Okay, the next one is downstairs, downstairs, downstairs. Good job. Alright, let's go with this. Okay. This thing is, we press the button when we go to high floors, right? When we go to very high floors, that is called, we can call it a lift or elevator, right? So let's read together. This is elevator. Elevator. Elevator, or we can call this lift. 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 Okay? Elevator or lift. Alright. And these are, what do we call these? When we want to go up or we need to go down, we can take stairs. 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 What do we call that? Stairs. Stairs. Good job. Okay, let's go with the last one. Oh, it's not here. Okay, that's it. Now, let's look at here and turn to your book. This workbook, okay? Page number 21. Remember, I have done some of the words that is hard for you to understand. Let's look at these words, okay? Let's look at these, okay? So, this one should be at number 1 in your book, right? We call this address. 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 How do we spell? A-D-D-R-E-S-S. We call that address. Okay? Address. Alright, let's go with this. That should be number 2 in your book, okay? Page 21. That is called balcony. 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 Let's spell balcony. B-A-L-C-O-N-Y. Balcony. Alright. Here. Okay. That is called basement. The bottom floor in a house that's called basement. 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 Let's spell it. B-A-S-E-M-E-N-T. Basement. Basement. Alright, next one is blanket. Blanket. Let's spell blanket. B-L-A-N-K-E-T. Blanket. Blanket. Alright, the next one should be number 5 in your book. That is called CD player. CD player. CD player. You put a CD in and you can listen to music, right? CD player. So C-D, let's spell C-D P-L-A-Y-E-R. CD player. Again, CD player. This one should be number 6. Okay, number 6, that is in your book, okay? That's called downstairs. 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 When you're going down, that's called downstairs, right? Let's spell it. D-O-W-N-S-T-A-I-R-S. Downstairs. Downstairs. Okay, this one should be number 9 in your book. That's called elevator. 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 Or we can call it lift. 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 Let's spell it together. E-L-E-V-A-T-O-R. Elevator. L-I-F-T. Lift. Lift. Okay, this one should be number 14 in your book. Number 14, okay? That is stairs. Stairs. Alright? Stairs. How do we spell stairs? S-T-A-I-R-S. Stairs. 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 Okay, how do we spell upstairs? That should be number 17 in your book. Upstairs. How do we spell upstairs? U-B-S-T-A-I-R-S. Upstairs. 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 So I have done some of the words of revision with you. I would like you to go home and do revision page 21 and 20. Okay? Because you will have a test next time, okay? Remember to do revision on that. Alright. Let's start our lesson. Can you please turn to your book, page number 16? Page number 16. Okay, so you will see 6 pictures, right? You have to listen, point, and say. So I'll play the soundtrack and you have to tell me which one is it. Okay?
Unit 4, Lesson 7. 1. Listen, point, and say.
You wash under this in the bathroom.
So, number 1 is you wash under this in the bathroom, right? What is it? What do you wash under your bathroom? What do you need to wash yourself? You don't need breakfast to wash yourself, right? So that should be shower, okay? Shower. Shower. So you can use your magic finger to point at it. Shower.
This is a part of your body between your neck and your arm.
This is a part of your body that is between your neck and arm, right? So what is it? A body part. A film is not a body part, right? A shower is not a body part. So a body part is simple as that. Let's point. That's a shoulder. 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 Okay? Shoulder.
You use these to clean your teeth.
You use these to clean your teeth. Which one is it? That should be film? No, that should be, what is it? A toothbrush and toothpaste. Again, a toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, the next one.
You often eat this when you get up in the morning.
You often eat this when you get up in the morning. You eat, simple as that. That is breakfast. Breakfast. Breakfast.
You can go to a cinema to watch this.
You can go to a cinema to watch this. You go to a cinema to watch. Do you go to a cinema to watch Elephant? No, right? That should be a film. A film. Okay? A film.
This big animal lives in hot countries and eats leaves and grass.
This animal lives in hot countries and it eats leaves and grass, right? It eats leaves and grass. That should be an elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Okay, so we are done with part 1, right? So let's go on to part 2. Read and say the correct words. Choose words from exercise 1, okay? So all you have to do is choose the correct words from here and write it here. Okay? I'll do 2 of them with you and the rest of it you do it by yourself. Okay. Number 1. Let's read together. Your what is near your neck? Your what is near your neck? Okay. Neck is a part of body, right? So which one is a body part here? Your what is near your neck? Your shoulder. Okay, shoulder should be the right answer. Shoulder. Could you write shoulder for me? Shoulder. Okay? Shoulder. Done with this. Let's move on to number 2. You can drink milk for. You can drink milk for. Which words here is related to eat and drinks? That should be 3, 2, 1. I know you know it. That is breakfast. So the answer is breakfast. Okay, from 3 to 6, you do it by yourself. Okay, I give you 2 minutes. And your 2 minutes starts now. One more minute. Alright, time up. Let's move on to number 3. You can watch what on TV? You can watch 3, 2, 1. That should be, you can watch a film on TV, okay? Film. Okay. Number 4, water comes out of an elephant? No, that should be shower. Okay? Shower. Number 5. And what is big and gray? An elephant is the correct answer. Its body is big and gray. Okay. All right. Number 6. You can find a toothbrush and what in the bathroom? You can find a toothbrush and toothpaste in the bathroom. All right, toothpaste. Okay, please check your answers. Done? Okay. Then let's moving on to part 3. You have to ask and answer. You don't have to write anything, you just have to say, okay? So, number 1 has been done for you, right? The bubble. Where is your shoulder? It's between my neck and arm, right? This is the shoulder. Okay, number 2. What do you use to clean your teeth? Very simple. What do you use to clean your teeth? Can you say that with me? A toothbrush and toothpaste. A toothbrush. You don't have to write, okay? You don't have to write. A toothbrush and toothpaste. I would like you to say, okay? a toothbrush and toothpaste. 3. A toothbrush and toothpaste. Number 3. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? You can write anything, right? So just like in the picture here in your book, you see, as you can see an egg, some cereals, and milk, right? So you may also write, I eat fried egg with noodles in breakfast, no problem. Okay? That's your choice. You don't have to write, just have to say, okay? So here I'm going to write cereals and milk. Cereals and milk. Again, cereals and milk. Number 4, when do you go to the cinema? When do you go to the cinema? You can say, I go to the cinema on holidays, right? On holiday. Or you may say on, when is holiday? Mostly on Saturday, right? Or Sunday. So I'll just write Sunday. Okay, you can say Saturday as well. You may say on holiday. On holidays, I'm sorry. On holidays. It means when you're on holidays, you go to the cinema, right? Or you can say on Sunday. On Sunday. Okay. Number 5. Which huge animal lives in a hot country and eats leaves and grass? Which animal is it, everyone? That should be an elephant. An elephant. Again, an elephant. Alright, the last question. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed, everyone? You may say, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Right? At 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock. Make sure you're speaking, alright? If you're done, then let's turn to page 17. So here, all you have to do is listen and say. Alright? Listen and say. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Unit 4, Lesson 8. 1. Listen and say.
1. First.
First.
2.
2.
Second.
Second. Make sure you're saying.
12.
12.
12th.
12th.
23.
23.
23rd.
23rd. Alright. So what's the difference between 1 and first, 2 and second, 12 and 12th, 23 and 23rd? Both of them are numbers, okay? We use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for counting, right? But when we are talking about the date or which floor do we live in, right? We can use this kind of number. That is called ordinal number, okay? First, second, third, fourth. Let's look at this calendar. All right, let's look at here. So this is the calendar of February, right? So when we say, so let's just look at number 1. Look at, let's just look at today's date. Today's is the 8th, right? 8th of February. I won't say today is 8th of February. We say 8th of February. Okay? So here's an example. Here are an example of numbers at page 17 in your book, right? Just write in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? This is how we use the calendar. This is how we use the calendar to talk about the date. All right, so that should be count as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. All right, not 20, 20th, not 19. Okay, that should be 19th. There is a th sound in the end. Okay, not 21. That should be 21st. Okay, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. Okay? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay? Sixth, seventh, eighth, etc. Alright? And after 29th, that should be 30th. Alright? 30th. After 30th, it should be 31st. Okay? This is how we say the date. Alright, so we are done with this. Part 2. Listen and sing. Try to sing, okay? Here are the lyrics. You can follow and then sing, okay? Let's start.
Unit 4. Lesson 8. 2. Listen and sing.
On Monday we go to school, go to school, go to school. First thing in the morning. On Tuesday we go to school, go to school, go to school. First thing in the morning. On Wednesday we go to school, go to school, go to school. First thing in the morning. On Thursday we go to school, go to school, go to school. First thing in the morning. On Friday we go to school, go to school, go to school. First thing in the morning. On Saturday we can sleep in bed, sleep in bed, sleep in bed. First thing in the morning. On Sunday we can sleep in bed, sleep in bed, sleep in bed. First thing in the morning.
Alright, done with singing. Now please turn to page 18. Turn to page 18. Alright, in this page, let's look at the first part, alright? The first part, it says, what does Sam have to do? Write the words. Okay, so this note is writing Dad's birthday, right? Dad's birthday. I must. So let's complete what Sam must do on Dad's birthday party. Dad's birthday party. So let's look at number 1. Number 1 is phone. What gym this afternoon? Is there another word for phone? That is called call, right? So could you write call for me? Call. Could you write call on the line? Call gym this afternoon. All right, let's look at number 2. Look at your book, page 18, okay? Part 1, number 2. Buy what bottles of lemonade? How many bottles of lemonade should he buy? He must buy. So there's not only one person in the birthday party, right? There's lots of person. There are a lot of people in the birthday party. So you may write 4. Let's write 4 or 4 to 5. All right. We are going to help Sam, okay, to complete his must list. Okay, number 3 is wash the 3. Wash the 3. Wash the 3 purple. What do you put in the washing machine to wash? That should be clothes, right? But here it says the 3 purple. The 3 purple, maybe shirts. Could you write shirts? Remember how to spell shirts? 3, 2, 1. S-H-I-R-T-S. Shirts. Okay. And then number 4, choose some great. Choose some great. Some great. What can we choose for the birthday party? Choose some great present, right? Present. Because when it's someone's birthday, you have to choose a present for him or her, right? So choose great. Choose some great presents. All right. Some great presents. All right. Find my. What he has to find. Find my. Find my. All right. You may look at the picture at part 3. There is a story, right? Story pictures that is related to Sam. Okay, Sam is inside the story. So what would he need to play baseball? Look at picture 4 and then you will know. That should be find my bat, right? Bat. If there's no bat, they won't be able to play baseball, right? Okay. Now let's look at part 2. Tell the story. So the story is, what's the story? You can look at the 4 pictures at part 2. Look at picture number 1. So the first part we have done, the must list that Sam have to do, right? What day was it? Dad's birthday, right? So the story begins with, it was Dad's birthday. It was Dad's birthday. And then Sam called Jim that afternoon for his dad's birthday party. Number 2, picture 2. And who are they? Maybe you can say Sam's uncle and auntie and his cousins were there as well. Okay? After that, what happened after that? Dad were so happy to see his family here for his birthday party. Can you see how they are hugging each other? Yes, right? And what is Dad wearing that day? What was Dad wearing that day? He was wearing a green shirt and a blue trouser. Alright, after that, it was time for Dad to cut the cake. Everybody gave him the present. Sam made a surprise for Dad, right? He put up some balloons for decorations, right? And then Dad was very happy about it. Can you see that? And what happened in the end? After the party finished, they all played a game. That is, what game did they play? They played baseball game. Okay, this is the story I told you, right? You can tell me your story, right? You can tell me the story the way you want to tell, okay? Do it at home. Let's look at page 3. Read and draw the party table. Okay, so here for part 3 you have to read and draw the party table. Let's read together. Line 1. Draw a huge table. It can be round or square. Okay, do you want to be square table or round table? I think round table will be easier, right? So let's draw a round table. Wow. Okay. Alright. Draw some glasses and bowls, bottles, plates on top of the table. You can draw it on a paper or you can draw it on a paper, okay? So you have to draw some glasses. Okay, I'll draw some glasses like this. Okay, glasses. Alright, sorry for my drawing. Alright, some glasses, some bowls, and then bottles. Alright, bottles. Okay, bottles. Some bottles. And plate, right? Plate is very easy. Okay, plate. Plate. All right. On the outside of one bottle, write what's inside. Soda. Okay. Draw a big birthday cake on a very big square plate. Wow. Is there any space? Maybe I can move this here. Okay. Draw a birthday cake on a very big square plate. Okay, square plate. Wow. So let me draw a cake first. And that should be like this. Let me make it simple. Okay. And a big square plate. Wow. It's very hard to draw. Alright. Alright. And then draw a birthday present on the floor. You choose the shape. Add a lot of balloons to the picture. Alright, a present should look like this, right? Right, and then a lot of balloons, right? Alright, you can draw it by yourself and then color the pictures. Right? Miss Sophie's too lazy to draw balloons. Draw many balloons. Okay, you can color the picture. So we are done with this part. Okay. Now close this book and turn to your super book. So everyone, moving on to the activity book, the yellow book. Please take out your yellow book and turn to page number 34. Page number 34. Okay? You have to circle the odd one. So Miss Sophie has write some words here, right? In your book, there are pictures. So let's look at the example. The example is number 1, right? You'll see a picture of an arm, shoulder, right? A shoulder and a sock, right? So shoulder and a sock. So which one is the odd one in number 1? That should be, that has been done for you. Sock. Why sock is the odd one? Why? So arm and shoulder can be found in your body, right? It can be found in your body. But can we find sock in our body? No, right? It's not our part of body. So we circle this. Okay? A sock isn't part of your body. Let's do number 2. So you'll see a picture of comb, a dog, and hairbrush. Right? So which one is the odd one? That should be comb? Really? Or a dog? That should be a dog. Because dog is an animal, but comb and hairbrush are not one of the animals, right? So we circle the dog. Okay, we circle the dog. Alright, from 3 to 5 you do it by yourself. Okay, can you do it now? I'll give you 1 minute. Alright, done? If you're done, then let's look at number 3. So, number 3 is a picture of a garden and a sink and a shower, right? So, which one is the odd one? That should be the garden, right? The garden. We find sink and shower in the... Where can we find sink and shower? That should be bathroom, right? But we can't find a garden in our bathroom, right? So, garden is the odd one. Number 4. Number 4 we have lunch, breakfast, and bed. Which one is the odd one? That should be bed, right? Because we can't eat lunch, we can eat breakfast, right? We can have lunch, we can have breakfast, but can we have bed? We can sleep on our bed, right? But we can't eat bed. So bed is the odd one. Number 5. Elephant, cat, and lion. Which one is the odd one? That should be cat. Because elephant and lions are big animals, right? And cats are very small animal. That's why cat is the odd one. Okay? Now, moving on to the next part, you have to listen and write, okay? Listen and then write the correct words in the blanks. Let's listen, okay? I'll play the soundtrack and you have to fill in the blanks. That should be about going to the cinema.
Unit 4, Lesson 7. 2. Listen and write. Number 1.
Let's go to the cinema this evening. There's a pirate film I want to see.
Oh, me too. What's it called now? Is it Treasure something?
It's called Treasure Island.
Treasure what?
Island. I-S-L-A-N-D.
Okay.
So number 1 has been done for you, right? Treasure Island. As you can see, there's a picture of a poster for this movie, right? So you can copy the word treasure. It has been done for you. You don't have to copy, right? So Treasure Island. This is an example. The rest of it, you have to listen and write.
Number 2.
Do I have time to play football before we go to the cinema?
It's 5 o'clock now, and the film starts at 6 o'clock. If you play football now, we won't get to the cinema in time. It takes nearly an hour to get to the cinema.
Oh, okay.
Number...
So it takes an hour from 5 o'clock to be there, right? So the starting time is... What time is it? That should be 6. Okay?
Number 3.
Who is in the film? Are there many film stars in it?
I don't know. Let's have a look on the internet. Ah, there are 2.
Who are they?
Johnny Depp and Jude Little.
Oh, great! I like Jude Little.
So the number should be... The number of stars are 2. How do we spell 2? T-W-O. 2.
Number 4.
Where can we buy food? Isn't there a cafe at the cinema?
Yes, it's next to the cinema shop.
Number 5.
It is next to the cinema shop. So the word cinema is here, right? How to spell shop? How do we spell shop? S-H-O-P. Shop, okay?
Can we go there and have ice cream?
We won't have time to go before the movie starts.
Can we go afterwards?
Yes, they sell ice cream with a lovely mango sauce.
I'm going to have that.
Food and cafe is, what is it? Ice cream with, what sauce is it? Mango sauce. This is how we spell sauce. S-A-U-C-E. Sauce. Okay? So we are done with the listening. Let's move to page 35. Complete the sentences. Okay. So number 1 has been done for you. You have to look at the picture, okay, and then answer these questions. The girl alone in the playground is skipping. So as you can see in your book, there's a girl in the playground right over here, right? Right over here. She is skipping. So the example has been done for you. Skipping. Number 2. Let's do it. The boy talking to the teacher has got a... The boy who is talking to the teacher has got a... What do we call that? We call that a tablet. Okay? Tablet. How do we spell tablet? T-A-B-L-E-T. Tablet. Alright? Tablet. Number 3. What are the 2 girls doing? What are the 2 girls doing? What are the 2 girls doing here? They are talking. How do we spell talking? T-A-L-K-I-N-G. Right? Talking. Number 4. What's the boy carrying under his arm? What's the boy carrying under his arm? What do we call this? What do we call this? What is he carrying under his arm? That is a skateboard. Okay? Skateboard. How do we spell skate? Skate. S-K-A-T-E. And then how do we spell board? How do we spell board? B-O-A-R-D. Right? Skateboard. Yes? So I've done this for you, okay? This 5 and 6. Here you have to write some sentence about this picture, okay? By yourself. Write 2 sentences about the picture. That is your homework. Okay, that's your homework. Please go home and finish this part. And please go home and do some revision on page 21 and 20 in your workbook. Okay? So that's the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching.